loan players that we have, Muthoot Finance, Manappuram Finance, they are gaining in trade. Why? Because Finance Ministry tells RBI to ensure interest of small gold loan borrowers and that they are not impacted by this new draft guidelines. Sapna is joining in with us to give us details on this front. Afternoon, Sapna. What is the latest update coming in here? Because these stocks are surely cheering today.
Well, it is what the government has put out very clearly, in their statement, indicating that the small gold loan borrowers should not be adversely impacted by any kind of guidelines that the RBI has in mind, and especially, for where the ticket size of the loans is as less as 2 lakh odd rupees. That's where the selection, the particular selection is that they should actually be excluded from these kind of directions that the RBI has been talking about. The draft guidelines, of course, happen in the public domain. So all this feedback has gone to the Reserve Bank of India. And mind you, this discussion or these kind of selection going from the Finance Ministry, they have been taken at the highest level. It's the Finance Minister who has held these discussions with various stakeholders, and that's how the information has flown to the Reserve Bank. The government has also made a very clear pitch that any kind of direction should not be rolled out before Jan 2026 because enough time will be required for the banks to sensitize customers as well as make changes in the systems for all of this to happen. But the one point that I really want to make is that this is a sensitive issue for the government. We have not seen in the recent past the government coming out with this kind of a statement, wherein the kind of consultation that they're having with regulators, they've actually brought it out in the public domain. So that's a very, very positive thing going forward. And I think this is how it's going to be in the times to come. If you look at the back also, in the past also, all the discussions that happen in terms of LCR, something may also be underway in terms of relaxation of the norms for the infrastructure project financing. All of that is also underway. So this is how it's going to be. Right. Yes, a big step by the government to actually bring out this in the open and indicate that this is what they're asking us.
Absolutely, big step coming in there as well. Thank you so much for the latest update coming in, Sapna, on that front. But on that note, we're going to actually slip into a very short break. But